Today we're taking a look at Ethereum's ETH coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see ETH go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into Ethereum's ETH coin chart, guys. If you'd like to buy ETH or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And from our last video, we saw that, of course, our key horizontal point of support sitting at $3,084 unfortunately was broken. I'm just going to extend that one out a bit more so we can see exactly where we're sitting. I'm just going to roughly put that one probably about, there, that's close enough. And we saw it broke, and we were saying that hopefully this 50-day moving average for us would act as a point of support. And certainly over the past week or so, you can see that has been the case. More so to the point where it looks like we have, of course, on the 20th of April, hit a high of 3,168. So that's significantly above our horizontal point of resistance. Now, what does that mean for us? Well, it looks like at this point in time, we may be breaching that point. And it looks like the key thing in our way from that perspective now is the 20-day moving average, sitting currently at 3,176. With everything getting quite tight around here, I'm expecting that what we're going to see is a breakout, and I'm hoping it's going to be quite a big one when we do see that. Now, if you look at the volume, it's actually been quite sporadic as well. We did certainly see a big dump over here on the 11th of April, but that was really driven by Bitcoin more than anything else. So of course, Ethereum being the second largest coin is going to crash along with Bitcoin. But fortunately, as we mentioned, that 50-day was able to hold up. Other than that, not anything too interesting going on with the volume at this point in time. Let's have a quick look at the RSI. Now on the RSI, what are we seeing? We're sitting basically smack bang in the middle. So 49.34, we certainly came down from when we were hitting peaks over here on the 4th of April. The RSI was in the overbought region, so it's cooled off now, and it looks like we have crossed back above the yellow line. So hopefully we do start to see a bit of an increase in the RSI due to buying momentum coming back into place. Now what's going to be interesting is the MACD here, and you can certainly see that the peak of the red period has occurred and we're coming towards the end of things. Now what we need to see is a big spike in volume due to the fact that yes, we do have the 12-day EMA, of course, coming closer to that 26-day EMA, but you can see this is moving horizontally. It's not coming and swooping up like that. It is currently moving horizontally. So we need some buying momentum to come in so that the cross above that 26-day EMA by the 12-day EMA is convincing. Otherwise, it's going to be a very shallow green period. I expect we could potentially see the bottom line of our uptrend tested if that's the case. If we do have a convincing cross, I'm expecting to see a pop in the volume, and of course then I'd like to say we'd be moving towards the top end of our upwards trading range at this point in time. Probably more so the 200-day moving average. That is a very important point for us. That's currently sitting at 3,491 now. But as all things stand, right now we are trending upwards still. We're in this beautiful channel that has formed itself. As long as we maintain this top and bottom bars, we will be pretty happy moving forward. So what is the target for today's video? Well, I'd like to say I want to just get above that 20-day moving average, because I think that will be a major catalyst for us to start gaining a bit more momentum within ETH itself. So that 20-day moving average is only sitting at 3,175 at the moment, so a bit of a conservative pump, but I think it is certainly on the cards within the next few days. That wraps up today's analysis on Ethereum's ETH coin, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's analysis as well, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.